Isn't it annoying having to unlock your suitcase with a key that is easily misplaced? Introducing eLock, a Bluetooth-connected smart lock made specifically for your suitcase. It can be remotely locked or unlocked via a paired smartphone app, so you'll never have to worry about forgetting the numeric passcode or losing a small key. Don't have your phone nearby? Just tap on the lock with your custom set pattern to unlock it. If you accidentally forget your suitcase and walk away, the app will notify you and remind you of your luggage's last known location. In our lock, you'll find a Bluetooth chip that enables smartphone connectivity, as well as a rechargeable battery that can last up to 3 months on a single charge. Our lock also includes a TSA approved access point, so you can use it with checked luggage. We have successfully produced other Bluetooth connected products, such as a tracker, a thermostat, and a built-in luggage lock. Now we are excited to bring you eLock, which will bring the connectedness and convenience of modern-day technologies to your existing luggage.